Ready to learn how to set up the autoLog IQ? It doesn't take long. Let's walk through it step by step. To set up the autoLog IQ blood collection system, begin by attaching the step-down connector to the bottom of the collection reservoir. Be sure the connector is securely attached. Next, close the clamp on the step-down connector, making sure it's completely closed. Place the collection reservoir into the reservoir holder and attach a vacuum line to the yellow-capped port on the collection reservoir. Now attach the other end of the vacuum line to the vacuum overflow trap of the device. Attach the blue-capped suction anticoagulant line connector to either the blue-capped or white-capped inlet port on top of the collection reservoir. Close the roller clamp on the suction anticoagulant line. Next, turn on the power by pressing the power button, and turn on the vacuum by pressing VAC. If necessary, you can adjust the vacuum setting by using the vacuum drop-down menu on the main screen. Next, spike the anticoagulant container. If the container is non-vented, open the vent cover on the drip chamber. Before starting blood collection, open the roller clamp and prime the collection reservoir with a minimum of 100 milliliters of anticoagulant solution. Then reduce the anticoagulant flow to a ratio of approximately 15 milliliters of solution to 100 milliliters of blood. You'll see a message that says, "Kit is not installed. Lock the bowl cover." Go ahead and attach the saline wash solution containers to a lower IV pole hook. Now place the wash kit in the cradle arm and take the wash kit cover off. Remove the waste bag from the wash kit and make sure that the drain valve on the waste bag is closed. Next, install the waste bag onto the waste bag pins. Remove the holding bag from the wash kit and hang it on an upper IV pole hook. Then close the clamps on the two red-capped outlet lines that each include a membrane port. Put the bowl in the centrifuge chamber with the yellow-capped waste line outlet tubing facing the waste bag. You can use the markings on the top panel as a guide. Next, align the centrifuge markings with the vertical assemblies on the bowl. Then lock the bowl by pressing down while turning the bowl clockwise until you hear a click. Go ahead and insert the yellow-capped connector into the yellow-capped inlet port on the waste bag, making sure there aren't any kinks in the waste line. At this point, you'll see a message that says, "Insert the kit in the valve and the pump. Press the green button to resume." Place the manifold into the recessed cavity. Place the 3 manifold tubing lines into the tubing guides. Make sure that each of the lines is fully seated in its guide. Next, put the single manifold tubing line into the air detector and close the cover. Then rotate the manifold cover latch until the lock indicators are aligned. Now pull the pump lever and hold it open. Stretch the tubing around the pump head and over the pump outlet tubing guide. Release the pump lever. Press the green button and you'll see the message, "Connect the saline line and reservoir." Press the green button to resume. Spike the middle manifold tubing into the saline bag or bags. If you're using just one bag, make sure the clamp on the unused saline line is closed. Now connect the left-hand tube of the manifold to the blue-capped step-down connector at the bottom of the collection reservoir and open the clamp on the connector. Press the green button. You'll see the message, "Machine stopped." Press the green button to enable self-start. Go ahead and press the green button to activate the self-start mode. You see the message, "Self-start enabled." Press the green button to manually start. The machine starts automatically when it detects approximately 800 milliliters of blood in the collection reservoir for at least 5 seconds. If you want to start the fill before 800 milliliters has been collected, just press the green button. That's it. You're ready to recover high-quality blood product automatically with the autoLog IQ. Intelligent, easy, adaptable to most operating spaces. Simply genius.